Very good evening to my all dear students. As you remember from previous video, we are solving the theorems continuously, and it is a time to learn converse of midpoint theorem. The statement is what? The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, which is E, parallel to another side BC, bisect third side. It means F is the midpoint of AC. This we have to show in the converse of midpoint theorem. इसमें बताना है कि E जो कि एक मिडपॉइंट है, इससे एक लाइन पास हो रही है EF, तो वो जो F पॉइंट है दैट विल बी द मिडपॉइंट ऑफ AC and EF is the parallel to BC. This is given. Let's solve this theorem. For this theorem, we will just take a point EF dash. हम मान लेंगे कि ये लाइन इससे पैरेलल नहीं है. So take the point F dash, which is making EF dash parallel to BC. Let F dash S is the midpoint. I am telling you, if F is not a midpoint, तो फिर कोई और midpoint होगा. So suppose F dash is the midpoint. अब when F dash is the midpoint, so E is the midpoint, F dash. So we will solve, we will check in triangle ABC, E and F dash is the midpoint. So from the midpoint theorem, E F dash will be parallel to BC. We will write here midpoint theorem. In the converse of midpoint theorem, we are showing that F and F dash both are not 2 points, they are 1 point. But they have given us that EF is parallel to BC. See everybody here, this is given to us. EF dash parallel to BC by midpoint theorem. EF is parallel to BC given. It is not possible that having one F dash common point between two parallel lines, EF dash or EF. So in these both situations, EF is parallel to EF dash. We can give it equation 1. Let me clear this space where I can write the next step, so that will be easy to write EF and EF dash. I am going to write here, it is not possible that having F dash E is the common point, which is not possible between two parallel lines. आप समझ गए होंगे कि जब दो लाइन पैरेलल हैं तो उनके बीच में एक कॉमन पॉइंट कभी नहीं हो सकता. It means our supposition, what we have taken that F dash is the midpoint, our supposition is wrong. F and F dash are not 2 point. 2 point, they are 1 point. They are 1 point. So here we prove that F is the midpoint of AC. and we get proved this theorem here. This was the midpoint, converse of midpoint theorem. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please do the practice and like and subscribe the channel.